Increase your productivity with KanbanFlow. You can touch the links in the description. That is very, very wrong. Now, we need to fix this Kanban board. Enter the settings. Go to columns. Make your first column named Focus or Today. This is where you put your tasks that you want to focus on today. So show expanded description and labels. Show unfinished subtasks too. Only show overdue tasks. Now you want to make columns for all the days of the week. Leave the settings set to default, although you can show labels which will help you identify the tasks. Next up, you can make the column for next week's tasks. It will be helpful to show all due dates so you know when your task is due for. By the way, you can use a WIP limit for any of these columns and the Focus/Today column to limit how many tasks there can be in a column at once. Create a later task for tasks you want to do later than next week. Again, show all due dates. It is time to make a done column. Put your tasks here when you've completed them. You could enable archiving for this column. Use the colors to indicate the estimated number of poetry a task will take. Remember, you rarely want to go above 3 poetry for any given task. Also, you could have colors for taking notes or reminders, etc. Change these settings to your fulfillment. These are the default settings applied to tasks. When you create tasks, color them according to how many poetry they take. Distribute them across the board, making sure you don't have too many poetry in one day and too few in others. If you don't already, you need to know what day it is. This is so you can move the tasks from the current day of the week column to your Focus/Today column. Collapse columns you don't need to see to save space and remove distraction. Set a due date for the task for the day you want to do the task. For this reason, it may make sense to have the due time late in the day, but you could force yourself to complete the task earlier. You can prioritize important tasks this way. Also, for regularly occurring tasks you can make it repeat, e.g. every week. The task will reappear in its start column with the new due date every time it is moved into the done column. You can use labels to categorize or group your tasks, whatever floats your boat. In the bottom left, you can show the color legend. You can filter shown tasks by users, due dates, color and slash or labels. If you want, you can make the filter be used every time you open your board. Here, you can change your timer settings, but I think they are best set to default. Time yourself working on a task. It is pretty straightforward. For the real deal, read my article about KanbanFlow and like, subscribe, share, follow, love, payment, the butter. Don't forget to watch this video again.